DJI Mavic Mini. Yes, there is a way to live stream. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. You may remember a few months back I did a video with the DJI Mavic Mini using the Prism Live app, and we actually did a live flight with that. I've had such a great response to that, and I've also had an awful lot of questions regarding how to do that. So I put a video together step by step with details on how to do that. So without any further ado, let's roll those clips. First, you open the Prism app, and if this is your first time, you will need to create an account. So you go ahead and create the account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you see live, video, and photo. You want to select live, and then you're going to go ahead and select ready. Now after you select ready, it asks for set destination, which means what platform you want to live stream to, and in this case it's YouTube, and you sign into your YouTube account. Now I suggest making all of these unlisted for your first test. And then you want to enter the title, as you can see, test, then hit go live. You start in portrait mode. There's a countdown timer, and then in the corner, upper right hand corner, you want to select screencast, and then as you can see right here, I'm selecting the DJI Fly app. And now we're in the DJI Fly app, and you can connect the aircraft and fly your Mavic Mini. Now when you are done with this, what you need to do is to touch the frame of your picture, and it will give you the options. And you want to go ahead and stop that. And then at that point, you're complete with your Prism. Now please note, this was on an Android device. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. For Apple devices, you do need to contact Prism Live. Question of the day: what do you think of using Prism Live for live streaming with your DJI Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to